One thing I learned, whenever you're making a potato dish, especially like latkes, make a 5x batch. I got to cook for a Passover for the first time, and I made a bunch of dishes that I've never made, including some of these here. One of my chefs told me one time, it doesn't really matter what ingredients you're cooking with, as long as you have the technique and the skills and the discipline to know how to work with those ingredients, then you can cook any cuisine and any ingredients you want and make it taste good. I haven't cooked with every single ingredient in the world. I know if I have it in front of me and I understand the flavor and the autonomy of the protein that it's coming from, then I can cook it. Like a lamb is going to be hard and dense, so we need to braise it over a time, and then that's how you make it super delicious. And that is how you cook, ladies and gentlemen.